Energy-efficient replacement windows. Warren, Michigan are a smart upgrade for homeowners looking to reduce drafts, lower utility bills, and improve year-round comfort in Warren, Michigan. Modern energy-efficient windows, insulated glass windows, and low-E replacement glass help stabilize indoor temperatures while supporting better performance in both older and newer homes. From Warren, Michigan energy-saving windows to energy-efficient windows designed for harsh Midwest weather, the right choice can improve insulation, enhance curb appeal, and boost property value. Homeowners searching for windows for homes in Warren, Michigan often choose vinyl replacement windows because they offer durability, easy maintenance, and strong thermal performance. For residential windows, Warren, Michigan, energy efficiency remains one of the most important features. Custom window installation in Warren, Michigan gives homeowners the flexibility to match style, function, and performance to the exact needs of the property. Whether the project calls for replacement windows, Warren, Michigan, custom replacement windows, Warren, Michigan, or window retrofit services, working with experienced home window contractors can make a major difference in the final result. Licensed window installers, Warren, Michigan can help with precise measurements, proper sealing, and clean installation that supports long-term performance. Many homeowners in Warren, Michigan also look for house window upgrades that blend modern window styles with practical benefits. From single-family homes to larger residential properties, window installation in Warren, Michigan should always be handled by professionals who understand local conditions and local building requirements. Vinyl replacement windows. Warren remain one of the most popular choices for residential window replacement in Warren, Michigan because they combine value, durability, and energy performance. Warren, Michigan vinyl windows are available in many configurations, including double-hung windows, casement windows, picture windows, bay windows, bow windows, and sliding windows, giving homeowners plenty of options for both appearance and ventilation. Warren, Michigan vinyl window installation is especially appealing for properties that need low-maintenance solutions with strong insulation. For homeowners seeking affordable windows, Warren, Michigan, vinyl frames and insulated glass packages can provide an excellent balance of performance and cost. Replacement window company Warren, Michigan options often feature a wide range of styles for new windows for homes and full home upgrades. Full-frame replacement windows, Warren, and insert window replacement are both effective options depending on the condition of the existing frame and the goals of the project. If the frame has damage, rot, or structural issues, Warren, Michigan full-frame window replacement may be the best choice for long-term results. If the frame is still in good condition, Warren, Michigan insert window installation can offer a faster and more budget-friendly update. Homeowners often compare replacement windows, window replacement, and window retrofit services to determine which method fits their home. Window frame repair may also be recommended before installation in some cases to ensure the best possible fit. For home window replacement Warren, Michigan projects, the right installation method can improve comfort, appearance, and energy savings. Modern homeowners in Warren, Michigan often want replacement windows that do more than simply fill an opening. Noise-reducing windows, drafty window replacement solutions, and energy-efficient replacement windows Warren, Michigan are popular because they improve everyday livability. New windows for homes can reduce outside sound, limit air leakage, and create a quieter indoor environment, especially along busy streets or near commercial areas in Macomb County. Warren, Michigan triple-pane windows and Warren, Michigan double-pane windows are especially effective for insulation and sound control. Residential window replacement services are frequently chosen by homeowners who want practical performance without sacrificing style. With the right selection of windows, a home can feel more secure, more efficient, and more comfortable throughout every season. Warren, Michigan custom window replacement services are ideal for homes with unique openings, special design preferences, or older construction that requires careful planning. Some properties need custom window installation to fit non-standard sizes, while others benefit from specialized choices like picture windows for expansive views or casement windows for improved airflow. Home window contractors in Warren, Michigan can recommend options that pair architectural style with dependable functionality. Best replacement windows in Warren, Michigan often include features like reinforced frames, advanced weather stripping, and insulated glass windows for better efficiency. Whether the goal is upgrading residential windows Warren, Michigan, or selecting modern window styles for a refreshed look, custom solutions make it easier to achieve the right fit and finish. Homeowners searching for replacement windows in Warren, Michigan often want a trusted team that understands local neighborhoods, local homes, and local climate demands. Window Contractors Warren, Michigan can provide detailed guidance on materials, styles, and installation options for everything from Warren, Michigan house windows to complete home window replacement Warren, Michigan projects. Many residents compare Warren, Michigan window contractors to find the best combination of expertise, affordability, and service. Licensed window installers Warren, Michigan can also help identify the right product line for different budgets and goals, whether that means vinyl replacement windows, insulated glass windows, or custom replacement windows Warren, Michigan. Quality workmanship matters just as much as the windows themselves when improving a home in Warren, Michigan. Bay windows, bow windows, and picture windows remain popular choices for homeowners who want to elevate curb appeal and bring more natural light into their living spaces. These styles can transform the look of residential windows Warren, Michigan, while also adding dimension, views, and openness inside the home. Window upgrade services Warren, Michigan often include these design-forward options along with more practical choices like double-hung windows and sliding windows for everyday use. For homeowners interested in Warren, Michigan vinyl windows, these styles can be paired with energy-efficient windows and low-maintenance finishes that support long-term durability. Whether the project involves window installation in Warren, Michigan for a single room or a whole home update, the right style selection can make a major impact.